Well, hey everybody, Martika here with Martika J Makes, and welcome. So I am coming to you with a pattern review, and I'm going to tell you right now, I am absolutely in love with this pattern. Now, what I have discovered is that this pattern is most likely out of print. However, it may still be in the drawers at your Joann's, so don't hesitate to check it out. And if you can't find it, there's always eBay, there's always Etsy. You can find this pattern online before everybody grabs it. And the pattern that I am referring to is New Look 6381. You guys, this pattern is amazing. I love a great palazzo pants, okay? They're comfortable, they're easy to wear, they're easy to dress up or dress down. They're just easy, okay? So I'm gonna tell you a little bit of details about this pattern, and I can almost guarantee you that if you don't have it, you are going to want it. So before I get started, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. And everybody, make sure you hit that thumbs up to like this video. And if you have not subscribed, be sure to do so. So let's talk about this pattern. New Look 6381. And if you see me looking over here, I am looking at my notes so I don't forget a thing. There are 4 views to this pattern. As you can see, view A, you have your pants with the fabric band. Then view B, you have a skirt with a fabric band. View C is what is pictured, and what she has is the pants with the elastic band. And then view D is the shorts with the elastic band. So all of these views, very easy to sew, great for a beginner, I would definitely say. Now, the suggested fabrics for this is knits only, okay? Interlock, jersey, jacquard knits. But I'm going to tell you, I did not do a knit, okay? Leave it to me. I did not do a knit. So I cut a size 8 in this pattern. And you guys, I thought that this fabric was perfect for this pattern. And the print definitely is, but I didn't even realize until after I had cut it that it was actually knit, okay? That goes to show you what happens when you don't really read thoroughly. However, I hung on to a wing and a prayer. You guys, it worked out. I made these pants out of crepe fabric. This butterfly pattern came out, I think, probably a couple of years ago, and I was able to snag like a couple of yards of it before it went away. They did have this pattern in knits, but the colors are so much more brighter and is just beautiful in this crepe fabric, okay, versus the knit. But if you run across the knit, go ahead and grab it. But I have been contemplating for a very, very long time what to make with this fabric. Started out at top. I said, well, I don't really want all that busyness just up top. Then I thought about a dress. Well, I needed a dress with simple lines enough to where it's not so busy because the pattern is already busy and colorful itself. And then I said a skirt. That was still an option. But then I saw this pattern and immediately I thought about the fabric that I had. Ended up being the wrong fabric, but as you can see, you guys, it worked out so very well. Now, the band itself is just an elastic band, and you can actually just go and pick it out. So pick it out at like Joann's. I got mine at Joann's, and it's a 3-inch elastic band, and basically you just get it and you just sew it on to the waist of the pants. That's it, and the pants are done. You hem them, voila, you're finished. You guys, this is such a quick sew because all you're cutting out is your front and your back of your pants. You're sewing those seams together, you're doing your hem, and you're sewing on that elastic band, and you got a pair of pants. You talk about something to make really quick and on the go. Yes, I am going to have so many of these in my closet. I'm actually working on another pair right now. So yeah, great to wear with like some sandals, great to wear with some tennis shoes. I mean, they're palazzo pants. You can do so many things with them. If you want to dress it up, you could put a dressy blouse on with it and put you on some pumps or some strappy sandals with heels. So many things you can do. It doesn't always have to be prints. You can do it in some solids. Can you see these in like a solid black or even a solid white? I mean, just make sure it's a knit, okay? Because my only fear of these is that a seam is a thread is gonna pop maybe, and I think that has happened in the waistline, but I'm just very careful when taking them on and off, and I have to be because there's no stretch there because they're supposed to be knit, okay? So just know that yes, you can sew these out of a different fabric, but I would definitely suggest sticking to the knit. You know, unless you're feeling adventurous, then go ahead and do what you do, okay? But just check your sizing. I chose my size, which was a size 8. It was the smallest size. I went by the hip measurement. And because they are palazzo pants, you do have quite a bit of room in the hip area. So that within itself is a plus. But all around, you guys, I'm telling you, so comfortable to wear. A great pattern for the summertime if you're looking for something loose and breezy. Great pattern for like a cruise or a vacation, whether you're going to a resort or going out shopping with friends, brunch, breakfast, whatever, dinner. Just a great pants pattern all around. Now, I have not quite decided if I'm going to make any of the other ones. If I do, it'll probably be the fabric waisted band. I might try that one out. But other than that, I'm not really interested in the skirt, you know, as of right now. I'm not. And I thought about the shorts, but I'm not sure. I'm just loving the pants right now. So I'm just into sewing what I love. And this is what I love right now. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this review. I hope that if you do not have this pattern, that you are able to find it. Like I said, head over to eBay, head over to Etsy. Check the drawer at your pattern store at Joann. See if you can find it. Because actually, to be honest with you, that is where I found mine probably a couple of months or so ago. And it just happened to be in there, but it was not in the book. So that let me know also that this is most likely out of print. Maybe it'll come back under another number, maybe not, but grab yours. So definitely give this video a thumbs up to like it. And if you have not subscribed, I'm pretty sure that you have liked what you've seen so far. I'm just confident in that way. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great one. Bye-bye.